Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulule SABC Auckland Park eGoli nasenohlonze eMini J.
At some point I said to myself, maybe I shouldn't have used the word disband. I should have used integration or absorption.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osanikezwe umhlaba khefu senzo mchunu saphekwa ngembuzo eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga mayelana nesinqumo sakhe sokuvala ithimba eliphenya ngokusoconga kusombusazwe.
We would like to declare the elected candidate
Uloyiso Masuku useqokwe njengosihlalo we-ANC esifundeni iGoli ehlula lobe usihlalo phinda abe yimeya seGoli uDada Mrero. uMasuku uqopha umlando ukuba usihlalo leli qembu wesifazane oqala ngqa eGoli.
The matter is then postponed to the 18th of March 2026 for a case management hearing in the High Court Bloemfontein at 9:30 in the morning.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State iphinde yalihlehlisa uNdasa wangonyaka ozayo icala lokucija itulo lokweqejele elibhekene noNandipha Magudumana nombulali uThabo Bester kanye nabanye.
As the province, when we go in as a province, we've got a louder voice than when you leave the city on its own.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe eLimpopo uthi unethemba lokuthi isifundazwe sizoyisingatha imidlalo emkhulu. Lokhu njengoba iPolokwane isipolokwane izobe isingatha umdlalo wamaqamba emqhudelanweni iCurling Knockout kusasa. Nabe beqhatha umatha ngetshisho zalo maswabhula lapha kwaMkeli Jemashini libumbene ihora lokuqala emini siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze ithimba seliphekile okwamuka ukuphakela zona kuhlale zona ithondo nasida. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osahlabe ikhefu senzo mchunu utshela ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kwakungafanele asebenzise igama lokuhlakaza odabeni oluphathelene nePKTT okuyithimba eliphenya ngokusoconga kusombusazwe. Umchunu uqhubeka nobufakazi bakhe esigcawini sekhomishana esingenele osukwini lwama-43 namhlanje.
Ingqikithi enkulu okuyiyona ungqongqoshe umchunu aphekwa ngayo ngembuzo esigcawini isinqumo sakhe sokuhlakazwa kwePKTT. Utshele ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kwakufanele asebenzise elinye igama elalizozwakala kangcono ukuze kugwemeke umsindo osukhona ngodaba lokuhlakazwa kwePKTT.
At some point I said to myself, maybe I shouldn't have used the word disband. I should have used integration or absorption. But that was with retrospect, because maybe it would have been understood better than what is happening, but that's exactly what it meant.
Uphinde watshela ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi zikhona ezinye zeziwombe lapho amazisakhona umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Mfana Masimula ngokunye kwezikhalo ayizithola kwabanye babahlaziyi bezindaba zezodlame nobugebengu odabeni lwesimo sokusebenza kwePKTT.
I did discuss with the National Commissioner the concerns raised by Mary de Haas. I did discuss with the National Commissioner concerns that were raised by Patricia Mashale.
The ones that Patricia Mashale raises in her Facebook.
We did discuss with the National Commissioner.
Those Facebook extracts.
We did discuss that there are a number of things that, not necessarily one by one, but we did discuss that she is putting things to me, and yes. Is she putting things to you? Yes. He said, yes, I am receiving this.
Isicau siyaqhubeka ekolishi Bridget Mabandla Justice ePitoli.
Kusenjalo imeya sekuruleni inkosi Ndiphile Xhakaza akazange afuna ukuphawula ngodaba oluthinta iphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa sekuruleni esamisiwe uJulius Mkhwanazi njengoba uMkhwanazi ebephekwa ngembuzo eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga kuleli sonto mayelana nokucikica isivumelano sokufaka amalambu alihlaza emotweni kaVusumuzi Matlala owaziwa ngoKhethi.
In a difficult time, but it also presents an opportunity. And I must indicate that, when I came here, my office advisors, they've been saying, hey, where are you going? Be careful that you don't say things that will, you might end up in the commission. We're following the revelations, and these are some of the things that we've been battling with. I don't want to go deeper into the at this stage. Of course, let's follow. We do not want to be seen as trampling with what is before the commission, including what is before the DC, because there's various processes following certain governance structures that we've put in place. And I don't think it is now time, but I can safely say to you what happened in 2021, 2022, that's why there was change of leadership.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uthi usegxeke kakhulu njengoba aqinisekisa ukuthi ingqungquthela iG20 ebingenyanga edlule igxila kakhulu ekuguquguqukeni kwesimo sezulu. Umengameli Ramaphosa usho lokhu ngesikhathi ethula inkulumo yakhe emhlanganweni wekhomishana ebhekele kona ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu.
Let me start off with a disclaimer. You have cost me considerable trouble as a commission. On two counts. The first count is that, and I'm rather glad that you took it back to the Job Summit. The Job Summit decided that we should set up a commission. And the Job Summit also said our country needs to create at the very least 375,000 jobs a year.
Ramaphosa uqhubeke waveza ukuthi usegxekwe kakhulu ngokwenza ukuba ingqungquthela iG20 igxile ekuguquguqukeni kwesimo sezulu. Ramaphosa uthi yena mangabethu uqhamuka nemizamo ezosizizwe uvele ebekwe amabala.
We are being criticized for having gotten the G20 to focus on climate change, and I'm being lampooned all over, globally even, and even being prevented from participating in the next G20.
Mengameli wezwe uchaze kabanzi ngokuthi kwaba yini inhloso kuba kusungulwe yona le commission.
When we established this commission, we agreed that its mandate was to provide independent advice.
Lo mhlangano wekhomishana ubanjelwe ePitoli.
Program director and
Uloyiso Masuku useqokwe njengosihlalo we-ANC eGoli ehlula lo usihlalo ophinda abe imeya yaseGoli uTata Mrero. uMasuku uqopha umlando ukuba usihlalo waleli qembu wesifazane oqala ngqa eGoli.
Kube inhlokomo yodwa ngesikhathi uLoyiso Masuku ekhala imuka nesikhundla sokuba usihlalo we-ANC esifundeni saseGoli. uMasuku udlisele ugageni imeya yaseGoli uTata Mrero nayo begaqele isikhundla sokuba usihlalo we-ANC kulesifunda.
Dada Mrero 149, and therefore we would like to declare the elected candidate to be Loyiso Masuku.
Kule ngqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi uSasabona Manganyi unqobe isikhundla sikanobhala wesifunda ngamavoti angamakhulu 25.
For the position of regional secretary, we received one spoiled ballot out of the 334. In no particular order, I will read out the tallies. Sasabona Manganyi 205.
uMasuku uqophe umlando ngokuba owesifazane wokuqala ngqa ukuba usihlalo we-ANC esifundeni saseGoli.
Today we are not talking about a conference where there are questions and disputes. We are dealing with a conference whose new leadership is going to get to the ground to ensure that we meet the basic needs of our people. Today we meet to welcome the new leadership that has already been announced, led by a young woman.
Kusenjalo uLerato K Bob yena ukhethwe njengephini likanobhala wesifunda.
Kanti lephakeme Free State iphinde yadlehlisela uNdasa wangonyaka ozayo icala lokucija itulo lokweqejele elibhekene noNandipha Magudumana umbulala uThabo Bester kanye nabanye.
The matter is in
uBesta
postponed
nasolwa
to the
nabo
18th
bavele
of
kafushane
March
enkantolo
2026.
ephakeme yaseBloemfontein eFree State ngesikhathi kuqhubeka ukuhlala kwenkantolo uThabo Besta ngomlomo wommeli wakhe utshele ijaji ukuthi akakwazi ukuqala amalungiselelo okuqulwa kwaleli cala abhekene nalo kusanezikhalazo ezilenga enkantolo ezingakaphendulwa. Phakathi kokunye uBesta akhale ngakho impatho ayithola ejele iGosi Mampuru.
I am not pushing my luck too far. I am presenting this to the court. It was also a request to say, should it be possible that the court grant us an opportunity to provide him with food, because it is necessary to him, as he requested through his instruction, that if he comes to court, he requests to be provided with that.
Ijaji lichithile imizamo kaBesta yokuletha izikhalo phambi kwalenkantolo.
The picture is bigger. There are other people in custody. So if there is a delay that is being caused by accused number 7, it will affect all the other accused also. So just keep that in mind. There is a bigger picture.
Umbuso kanjalo nabameli bathi bona sebekulungele ukuqulwa kwaleli cala. Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zi-18 kuNdasa kunyaka ozayo.
Postponed to the 18th of March 2026 for a case management in the High Court Bloemfontein at 9:30 in the morning.
Umsolo wokuqala uDokotela Nandipha Magudumane ogcine ngafikanga enkantolo.
Mbukile sathi qoyitolo mabisibe sizophathela udaba oluthi.
The winner of current affairs is Njabulo Shabangu, South Africa Broadcasting Corporation.
Umdidiyelo wohlelo lwase-SABC Cutting Edge uNjabulo Shabangu ukhale wemuka nendondo kuma-Africa Media Awards nokuwumcimbi obubanjelwe enhlokodolobha yase-Ethiopia i-Addis Ababa. Asibingelela sikwamukele mbukeli mosando kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osanikezwe umhlabakhefu usenzo Mchunu saphekwa ngembuzo eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga mayelana nesinqumo sakhe sokuvala ithimba eliphenya ngokusoqwa ngokusombusazwe. Bukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo ucinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo uma siqeda nje ukuyisakaza. Njengoba iningi labantu selizoqala libhekisa amabombe endaweni ezehlukene ngalesikhathi samaholide asehlobo, umnyango wezokuthutha unxusa abashayeli ukuthi bacophelele emgwaqeni, bangashayeli bedle amanzi amponjwana futhi bathobele nemithetho yomgwaqo. Sikubingelele Mangethe, sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Njengamanje siyabona ungqongqoshe uhamba uxoxa nabashayeli babheka imoto, iRTMC nayo ikhona. Umsebenzi wayo yini namhlanje?
Na umsebenzi wethu ucoordinator wonke lama roadblocks azobathatha yenzakala izwe lonke, sisebenzisana nabo masipala nama provincial departments of transport namaphoyisa ukuze ukuthi sibe ne igalelo lethu izwakala. So sibheke namhlanje sibheke lama corridors lanka ahlanganisa ama province ahlukene. La uN12 lo hlanganisa iGauteng, iNorthwest, phinde hamba uyofika eNorthern Cape, abanye bayefika eWestern kakhulu ngendlela ukuthi sibonakala la kulomgwaqo ukuthi ube safe. Kanti futhi kunenkinga enkulu lomgwaqo ngendlela yama pedestrian fatalities. Kusukela ngaseGauteng kuyali maningi abantu abahamba ngenyawo abalinyazwa noma abanye bashona ngenxa yokushayiswa yimoto. So ingakho ke sila kuze sikwazi ukuthi sifundisa abantu abahamba ngenyawo ukuthi umgwaqo usetshenziswa kanjani.
Uyasho ukuthi baqapheleke namathayi ukuthi bangashayeli ngamathayi azimpandla ngoba lokho kuzodala ke inkinga eziningi emgwaqeni. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC, ngisemngceleni ophakathi kwesifundazwe iGauteng kanye neNorthwest. Njengoba bese kuphela amasonto amabili inhloko ye-NPA Advocate Shamile Batohi ethula ubufakazi esigcawini sikaNkabinde esiphenya ubuqotho benhloko yalolu phiko eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke izolo usonga ubufakazi bakhe ngokusemthethweni lesigcawu sesihlehliselwe umsombuluko ukuze kuphekwe ngemibuzo uBatohi ephekwa uAdvocate Thembeka Ngcuka Ithobi omele uChauke obekulindeleke ukuthi kwenzeke namhlanje.
It doesn't appear to me that starting now and finishing in 5 minutes will make any sense. We all know that there has been a request to us. One of my sisters has to consult after 12 o'clock, and we will therefore adjourn so that she can make an appointment. We'll adjourn until Monday, the 8th of November. December. We will reconvene at 9 o'clock on Monday until 12 o'clock, until noon on Monday, and resume next week, Thursday, at 9 o'clock rather.
Lihlehlela umhlazi ishumi nesishagalolunye kuMasingana icala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli kulindeleke ukuthi inkantolo iphinde ibize uBrigadier Bongani Gininda ozophinda phekwe ngemibuzo.
Ndeleke ukuthi inkantolo ikhiphe isinqumo mayelana nokuthi angaphoswa yini imibuzo ufakazi uSifiso Gwabini Zungu ngestatimende asicikicam. Ijaji lithe angeke likwazi ukukhipha isinqumo engakabuzwa ubufakazi bokuthi sathathwa kanjani istatimende.
I can't rule now without listening to this evidence. Can't.
I understand.
Okay, and it's not me saying that, it's the law. I say even shonjalo, umthetho shonjalo.
Abameli babuza ukuthi babizwa kanjani abanye ofakazi ekubeni uGwabini esaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi.
At any stage may examine any person other than an accused who has been subpoenaed to attend such proceedings or who is in attendance of such proceedings, and may recall and re-examine any person, including an accused, already examined in the proceedings. And the court shall examine or recall and re-examine the person concerned if his evidence appears to be to the court essential for the just decision of the case.
Abameli ke bebefuna leli cala liqhubeke ngesonto elizayo kodwa ijaji lithe ngeke bakwazi ukuhlala ngenxa yokuthi abanye kufanele babhale umbiko.
We can't sit because it's awkward for everybody. So sizawudibana next year.
Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka e12 kwashona wabe ngumengameli oqala wentando yabantu ubaba uNelson Mandela. uMadiba washona ngonyaka u2013 eseneminyaka engama-95 edla anhlamvana.
The day that used to be said to us, however, we are no longer sad, but remembering and following up on his footsteps this day as he left us on the 5th of December 2013. It is exactly 12 years since his passing, and we are indeed saying as the department, let us follow up, as his working and values can never be a history but a living guiding tool that just guides us on how we provide for a just, united and caring society for the people of this province and the country. We are back here in Nqunu where he was born. He grew up here as a young boy. He was shaped and his humanity was built from this area. Hence you are seeing us every 5th of December coming to this area as provincial government to commemorate this day and further celebrate, to remind each other of the deeds and good doings of the icon uTata uMandela.
Eqelekisa ihlathi la emsakazweni zethu umdidiyelo ohlelo lwase-SABC Cutting Edge uNjabulo Shabangu ukhale wemuka nendondo kuma-Africa Media Awards nokuwumcimbi obubanjelwe enhlokodolobha yase-Ethiopia i-Addis Ababa. uShabangu ubonge ukubambisana kwethimba asebenza nalo kulolu hlelo.
Cutting Edge has been a flagship current affairs program in South Africa for years now. The viewership that it draws in weekly speaks for itself. It reflects people's lives in the country, and the fact that we're able to shine on the continent goes to show just how much work is being put in by the SABC. You know, we work very hard as a team. We are currently showing a couple of weeks ago an episode on Kat Matlala, and that just happens to be on the news right now. I think that our audience is being given what they deserve, what they need. They're being kept informed, they're being kept educated, they're being kept plugged into what's happening around their world. So that one in particular, and there are many others that our viewers luckily now are able to access through many SABC platforms, such as the app, such as our YouTube channel, such as our website. So those are places where they can find us.
Ongqongqoshe wemfundo yesisekelo usivuye kwaHobe uthi ukwenyusa izinga lokuphasa likamatikuletsheni akusona isisombululo ekuthuthukiseni izinga lemfundo yala eNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu kulandela isinqumo sePhalamende sokuchitha isiphakamiso sokwenyusa izinga lokuphasa lisuka kumaphesenti angama-30 lifinyelela kwangama-50.
Let's go back to the vote in Parliament. The reason why this vote was important to vote against is, number one, the leader of BOSA, Dr. Maimane, knows that I'm currently in the process. We've got an independent panel of experts who have been appointed to be able to look at our assessment criteria in South Africa from grade R to grade 12. His misunderstanding of how education systems is the problem, because seemingly fidgeting with the matric pass rate at the end of a 12, 13-year schooling career is not going to lift the quality of education. Yeah. The foundations of learning are important. That's why our focus has been ECD strengthening the foundations of learning, because then you don't have to fiddle with things and tinkering around the edges. If you don't deal with the root causes, Clement, are clear.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe iLimpopo uthi unethemba lokuthi isifundazwe sisazosingathe imidlalo emikhulu. Lokhu njengoba iPolokwane izobe isingathe umdlalo wamanqamu emqhudelanweni we-curling knockout kusasa.
Sesifundazweni iLimpopo uthi uzosebenza ngokuyikhandla ngenhloso ukuthi uphinde ukwazi ukusingatha eminye imidlalo emikhulu emanqamu. Lesi sifundazwe sasingathe amanqamu Nedbank Cup eminyakeni eyishiyagalolunye eyedlule.
We go in as a province, we've got a louder voice than when you leave the city on its own to go and bid. So that is what we've decided. It's not going to be only the PSL Cup final, even other national sports and international.
Lwakusasa athengiswe aphela wonke ngeviki ledlule. Amaphoyisa seqayise labo abahlele ukuthengisa amatikiti ngaphandle kwenkundla.
One does not have a ticket. One must stay at home as such. The selling of tickets and buying of tickets thereof from ticket peddlers, it's illegal.
Sepolokwane uthi usulungise indawo kuzohlala kuyo abalandeli abangenawo amatikiti okubukela umdlalo.
That fan park at the civic center, just at the corner of Thabo Mbeki and Landros Mare, next to Jack Porter's Hall, at the civic offices. There is a beautiful park. I don't think there is any city in South Africa now as we speak with such a beautiful park.
Uzoqala makubumbana ihora lesithupha ntambama.
Owakwaba umqeqeshi wabafana bafana uJomo Sono usencome kakhulu ubuhlakani bomqeqeshi weqembu lesizwe uHugo Bruce njengoba kusondela ukuqala komqhudelwano iAfcon ezosingathwa yizwe iMorocco ngasekupheleni kwayo lenyanga.
They will make it to the final. You know, if you look at the team, you look at the history, you look at the consistency. If they go there, Africa Cup of Nations, and say we're going to the final, if they believe, they can. We've been there before. We went to Burkina Faso.
That hastily assembled team.
Quick.
You
know, quick fix. That quick fix team. We ended up in the final. But this team should win Africa Cup of Nations. Definitely. With the kind of players you have there.
Mbukela umhlahlo simo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhifu.